Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and we will guide you through how to set up Visual Studio Code for HTML, CSS and JavaScript web development. If this helps you, please subscribe to the channel for more quick coding tutorials. First, I have opened Visual Studio Code. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, then you have to download and install it on your system. Now I'm creating a new project folder. And inside this folder, I'm creating the three basic files every web developer needs. Index.html for the main structure, style.css for the design, and script.js for JavaScript functionality. Before writing any code, I'm going to install some essential extensions that make VS Code more powerful. The first one is Live Server. This is very important because it lets us launch the website instantly in a browser, and every time we save any change, the page refreshes automatically. The next extension is Prettier. This keeps our code neat, properly aligned and professional looking with one click. After that, I'm installing Auto Rename tag. Whenever I change an HTML tag, this extension automatically updates the closing tag as well, which saves a lot of time. Next is HTML CSS support. This gives us much better suggestions while connecting HTML classes with CSS, making coding faster and smoother. And finally, JavaScript ES6 code snippets. This provides ready-made shortcuts for JavaScript commands, so writing scripts become much easier. Now, the editor is fully ready. Let's test everything with a simple project. Inside index.html, I'm adding a heading and a button. Inside style.css, I'm styling the heading and button. And inside script.js, I'm adding a small JavaScript function. Now comes the important part. I'll right-click on index.html and choose Open with Live Server. As you can see, the browser opens immediately and our web page is now running perfectly. The heading is showing, the button is working, and when I click it, the JavaScript function runs successfully. So this means Visual Studio Code is now completely set up for professional HTML, CSS, JavaScript and web development. That's it. Thanks for watching.